Hi everyone, welcome to Sandra Knit pattern tutorial. This tutorial is to support the Elevate Beanie pattern, which I've put on my Etsy shop and Ravelry page. I will put all the link in the description below. So the tutorial is to show you how to pick these two strands to create this very nice look. So we'll start by doing knit one more time, and then you just go under these two strands, knit the stitch, and do not drop this loop. Bring it back out of the two strands, and then now you can drop it and do knit one, knit two, and then you can just pull and tuck to make it look nice. So again, if you're interested in this look for a beanie, go and check my Instagram, my Etsy shop and Ravelry page, Sandra Knit, and you can find all the links in the description below. Happy knitting and stay blessed.